Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a science experiment. And what we need is a bowl of water,
dishwasher soap,
and glitter. Any kind of glitter color you want. So with glitter in.
We have
Do we add glitter in?
Yeah, you need to add the glitters.
and we have the dishwasher soap.
That's enough. It's too much. That's okay, but
Now let's dip our finger.
And so we add glitter in here.
And now we touch it.
Now
wait,
add the dish soap now.
I already.
And the dish soap. And 3, 2, 1.
It goes away. It's just scared.
And that's why you need to wash your hands every day. Germs are always weak. And soap is strong.
You might even want to stir it like soup.
Ooh, it now looks like a pink, watery, shiny thing now.
Yours could be green, orange, blue, yellow.
Oh, I'm getting my hands messy. Let's get our hands messy in here. Did you see how do you have to wash your hands? Don't think to leave it because just you don't see the germs. But there's always germs on your hands. Every time once you go outside, every day wash your hands.
Even if you don't go outside.
Even if you don't go outside, every meal wash your hands so you don't get dirty. It's quite a cool science experiment. Whoever is a scientist, you must have tried this. It's more fun. Like, you just get to do some fun things, actually. Touch the glitter. It's like germs. Yeah.
So guys, just please wash your hands.
Never leave your hands dirty.
One thing, did you know that your nails go every second?
And clean your nails. It's an important thing to wash your hands.
No, if you wash your hands and fingers, that means you're also washing your nails.
Yeah, if you're washing your hands, you're washing your nails.
The soup.
And this is the best experiment. Scientists and everybody have to try it because this is too much fun. If you try it, touching, it feels satisfying to touch it at the bottom. And moving your finger and then
you
doing
get
like these. It's quite satisfying. Bye! Like and subscribe every time.
Dina,
don't forget to wash your hands after this video. Before you scroll and watch more videos.
Before you scroll, don't forget to wash your hands. Because
I need you to do it now.
If your mom says not to wash your hands, then don't listen to your mom.
That's why I do it whenever my hands are dry. Oh look, my hands are dry.
What? Bye, I'm gonna wash my hands. Bye, I'm done with this.
Like and subscribe. If you have the same glitter, please just use that one. If you have more. Just look how cool it looks. Bye. Thank you.